everyone. Welcome to Lemon's Journey. Today I want to do the next experiment from this magic of science. Before we start, I want to show you my new toy friends, the leaning tower of Pisa, which is in Italy. It's famous because it tilts to one side. Okay, let's start the experiment now. You know what experiment we are going to do now? We are going to do twinkling light experiment. To do this, we need one bottom square, two soft holders, one coin cell, one LED, and two rubber bands. First, let's take the bottom square and place the soft holders one by one. Like this. Ask an RL to fix the rubber band on both sides. Like this. In the lithium cell, we have two sides. One side is positive and the other side is negative. The plus side denotes positive and the other side is negative. Similarly, the LED also have positive and negative sides. Longest string is the positive side and the smallest string is the negative side. Now, let's take the lithium cell and place it in the holder and press it gently. Now, let's take the LED and place it in the center, such as positive and positive touches and negative touches. Can you see the twinkling lights? We try touching the opposite sides. Notice the light does not come up? This is because when positive and positive touches and negative touches, the electrons flow and come as electricity. If you repeat the opposite side, the electrons will not flow and do not get the electricity generated. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.